At Vidato AgroPlus, our goal is to share knowledge and practical experience with people who work in agriculture. We believe that learning and applying new technologies is the key to success in modern farming. Today, we are honored to host Dr. Imran Qayyum. He's an electrical and ventilation consultant and an international expert in poultry house ventilation since 2000. With more than 20 years of experience, he has helped many farmers and companies around the world design and manage smart ventilation systems for broiler, breeder, and layer houses. He combines technical knowledge with real farm experience, which makes his training both clear and very practical. We hope this session gives you useful ideas and the solution you can apply in your work right away. So once again, thank you very much for joining us tonight. Please keep your microphones muted for now, and let's give a warm welcome to our expert speaker, Dr. Imran Qayyum. You can start now, Dr. Imran. I will share your presentation.
Welcome. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome, everyone. Today's session is about understanding how ventilation system in environmental control poultry houses function. There are different modes and how each impact bird health and form. Our focus is ventilation and modes of ventilation, the temperatures, sensors, the deflectors, the fans, the system around this. And the main points we will discuss. You heard a lot of things regarding poultry ventilation, and you have a lot of thumb rules, a lot of formulas, system scientific research, a lot of things that you heard a lot. I know very well that. But my objective is to tell you, to brief you that how to do this. This is the main thing. So next. Here, next slide, please. The modes of ventilation. Yes. So everyone knows that proper ventilation is the key for welfare and farm profitability. It's often taught in colleges and discussed by mentors, full of theories, ideas, and recommendation. But the real question remains how to actually do it in the field. I am here on stage, address you current practical challenges and demonstration, and I will demonstrate how to implement effective ventilation system for modern poultry houses. So next slide, please. So here first we will discuss the modes of ventilation. You must know that